This was a complete gut and remodel of a master bath. The area over here where the shower is was a built-in jacuzzi, whirlpool type tub with a solid surface around. And then if you come in here, this alcove here, which now has a nice linen cabinet in it, was actually a steam shower that probably hadn't worked properly for decades. Other than that, we did, like I said, we did all tile in the shower, the pebble stone floor in the shower. We did a beautiful wood grain ceramic tile with heat underneath of it on the floor. And then, of course, the beautiful iridescent glass backsplash both behind the vanity and as an accent in the shower. And then just the cool navy blue cabinets with the brushed gold hardware and with a little bit of wood grain for the vanity mirrors just to tie in with the floor and everything else. There are recessed medicine cabinets, you can see, nice wood grain. And here another nice feature is this is actually a heated towel rack. So you come out of the shower, you can have nice warm floors, nice warm towels,